Rounding decimal numbers. Example problems. We will round each of these numbers to different place values. Quick tips. Look at the place value you are rounding to, and everything before it. This is not 8/10, it is 78/10. Think of the two possible answer choices. One answer choice is for the number to stay the same, 78/10. The other option is for the number to get 1/10 bigger, making it 79/10. Realize you are just deciding whether your given number, 7.87, is closer to 7.8 or 7.9. Those are your two answer choices. You're going to decide which one it's closer to. Think about rounding on a number line. 5 is always going to be in the middle of your number line. If your number is a 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, your number will stay the same. If your number is a 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, we're going to round up to the next number. We know our answer is either 7.8 or 7.9. Now, the next place value below the 10th, which is the 100th, will decide. Is it closer to 7.8 or to 7.9? 5 is not needed in this problem. You can exit out. The magic number is 7, and 7 will be on the round-up side, so the answer to this problem is 7.9. Let's put our next number on the number line, 54.728. For this problem, we're going to round to the nearest hundredth. That is 2. So our two answer choices are 54.72 or 54.73. Our magic number, which is in the thousands place, is the 8. And since the 8 is bigger than a 5, it is on the round up side, and the correct answer will be 54.73. For the last example, we are going to round 5.39 to the nearest whole. The nearest whole number is everything that's before the decimal. The only thing before the decimal in this problem is a 5. 1 bigger than 5 is 6. Our two answer options are 5 or 6. The 9 is not needed in this problem, and the 3 will decide. Since the 3 is less than a 5, this number will stay the same, making the nearest whole number 5. Thanks for watching Rounding Decimals. If you have a question still about this topic or any others, just comment and let me know.